Welcome back to the AWS IAM series. So in this video episode 4, we are going to create a custom IAM policy and work through attaching it to a user in a real scenario. So at Technova, a new QA engineer has joined the team. Let's take her name is Priya. So she needs access to view EC2 instance for QA testing reports. So, but she must not be able to start, or terminate instances. So, and also like Priya needs both AWS console and then CLI access to view EC2 metadata. So, for that, first let's create an IAM user for Priya. Let's create it. So we are going to create a new IAM users. This is I have already explained like why we are selecting auto generated password and why we are checking these boxes. So next let's go to here and click next. Don't do anything right now. Currently this policy has been attached called like IAM user change password for Priya. Let's add a tag. A role QA. This would be enough. Create an user, return to user list, download the CSV file, but I'm not going to uh, download it right now. And also we should give her CLA access. So for this we are going to create access keys to give us CLA access. I'm not going to download it again, but you have to download it when you try to create a real users. If you like move to next page, it would be gone away. It would be gone away. So now we have created a user for her with the programmatic access and then console access. Next step is like let's create a policy that allows only EC2 read only access. For that, go to policies, creative policies. So we would be working on this on a JSON format. So let's click JSON. I will come back to the visual about visual as well. So I already have a policy. Let me copy this one and explain it to you. Okay. So this is the policy format. So it starts with like a dictionary format. So basically this one says what version of this is basically we have currently one version which is like 2012 10. This is the standard one. And then statement, what are the statement we are going to create it in the statement. It's list under list. So we are going to set it as like a dictionary. Under the dictionary, what it would be is like first we would be what what are we going to do. It's going to be allow, right? So we would be saying allow. And then action, what's the action we want to give. Here we have to go and give her like read only permissions to EC2 so that she can like utilize it for QA reports. So we would be giving like describe instances, describe volumes, describe snapshots, and the resources for all resources. So but like when we are working on the real case scenario, we would be giving just the EC2s like AR and EC2s under star. That's how it has to be. It would be. So basically this policies allows Priya to view instance details, volumes and snapshots and text, but not modifying anything. Now click next. Name it as like EC2 read only for QA. Let's name it like that and add a description more. Uh, and then go and create a policies. Now let's go to Priya. right now she has only user change password policies. We have to attach these policies so that she can have the policy, she can have the have enough permissions to go and do her work. So the role name we have, the policy name we have created here is easy to read only. Select this one, and also you can see the type is custom managed. So the about the type, let's see here. The two main types is like AWS managed and then custom managed. So custom managed is the ones we have created, and the AWS managed is the policies like AWS already pre provisional proficient data. So these are the two main policy types, and the third one is like inline policies. I will show it in a second. So add this one, add permissions. So you can see this permission has been added. And also the third type would be that like adding inline policies. So adding inline policies is like creating an inline policy just for this users. We would be creating something over here, so it would allow the permissions to be added attached specifically for Priya. So if you expect more QA engineering to join later, we can create a group like QA engineer and attach the policy to the group and just add users to it. So for today, we have created a user and gave them like CLI and console access and attached a custom tailored policies to their role, just like how real companies manage IAM access. If you're still learning IAM with me, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you on next video.